Alright, so I've wanted to buy one of these for quite a while. It's a Evolution metal saw, metal chop saw. Basically what it is, it's a 15-inch carbide tip blade on a chop saw. It spins at a slower revolution and doesn't produce as many sparks, leaves a clean cut. Basically supposedly cold to the touch as well. So basically you can grab a hold of a piece of metal right away and work with it. So let's get it out of the box and we'll try it against my old abrasive cutoff saw. So basically when you open the top flaps here, you've got manual. This looks like a cutting guide for like pipe or something. Assuming these are to hold the blade on. Not sure what this is. Maybe some sort of catch pan or something. And there is the blade. Pull the plastic off. Guess that holds the blade guard. Alright, so we will undo our cord here. Now it looks like this is a lock. Alright, so there's a blade lock under the handle. I'll show you that real quick. Blade lock's right here. Just push that in. Okay. Okay, I have to say one thing that sticks out immediately to me that with this thing, everything's really stout. Oh, I was looking for an Allen key. There is one here. But yeah, everything on this saw seems to be really stout and heavily built. So I've always bought just general abrasive saws, and I actually have two of them. And they've got their place, but supposedly this thing's supposed to be a lot better. And a lot of times I'm cutting larger material, and you know, the abrasive saws, if you don't have a new blade on it, you can't cut very thick, and then you gotta change the blade out, and then you're left with a pile of used blades. Basically they're useless. This, you can always cut the same size, it's just carbides wear out, so you gotta get a new blade. Or, well, let's find something to cut. Alright, so here's my old abrasive saw. It's not a fancy one by any means, but we're going to cut some of this 1.5 inch, eighth wall box tubing. Nothing real crazy, but it should be a good comparison. I forgot this all trips the breaker if you use it too hard. Alright, attempt number 2, because I wanted to reset this because this saw, it'll trip the breaker on my retractable extension cord. So we're going to start fresh with the other side of the material. And so we'll shoot this with a temperature, and we're looking at it right there, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but some of these temperatures, 85, 130 degrees. So I mean that's the side it cut. All right, so we're gonna shoot this. Or 67 degrees, that's room temperature. Also, I wanted to mention with the other one, you can see the burr left when it cut that. So let's try this one, see how this works. Well, that was much faster, no doubt about that. It's a clean cut. And it didn't even really raise the temperature. I mean, that's 75 degrees, 73 degrees. It raised the temperature like nothing. So I don't know, I mean, we do have a little bit of a burr there, but that might have been my fault. That's literally the first time I've used this. Well, I think this will definitely help in a lot of my fabrication work that I do. This wasn't really the best heavy duty test for it, but I mean, it's pretty clean, and I said it didn't even generate any heat. I'm happy with it. So, well, I'm sure we'll see more of this in upcoming videos of different things I'm going to be building, but I will update you when I use it more. But so far, I'm really impressed.